If you're seeing itch.io error 1200, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Error 1200 is often caused by a simple connection issue, a bad page load, a wrong URL, VPN interference, or even browser cache problems. So before you give up, follow these steps one by one and you'll have the best chance of getting back into itch.io without any hassle. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and website fixes just like this. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Refresh the page on itch.io. Sometimes the error happens because the page didn't load properly the first time. Click refresh in your browser or press the reload shortcut and see if the page opens normally after that. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next step. Now check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can trigger loading errors like this, so make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. You can try opening another website to confirm that your connection is stable. If other sites are also slow or failing to load, the issue may be with your internet rather than itch.io. Next, check the URL carefully. A small typo in the web address can cause the site to fail or send you to the wrong page. Make sure the link is spelled correctly and that you're using the proper itch.io page address. If you copy the link from somewhere else, try pasting it again or opening the page directly from itch.io instead. Another very common cause is a VPN. If you have a VPN enabled, disable it temporarily and try loading itch.io again. Some websites block certain VPN connections or have trouble verifying traffic coming through them, which can lead to error 1200. After turning off the VPN, refresh the page and check whether the issue is gone. If the page still isn't working, clear your browser cache. Cached files can sometimes be outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with loading itch.io correctly. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cached files. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try visiting itch.io again. If you're still stuck after all of that, try opening itch.io in a different browser or an Incognito window. That can help you figure out whether the issue is related to browser settings, extensions, or stored site data. Sometimes just switching browsers is enough to get the site working again. So to recap, the main fixes for itch.io error 1200 are refreshing the page, checking your internet connection, verifying the URL, disabling your VPN, and clearing your browser cache. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem quickly. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.